Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. The auction car hauler, Big Stinky here, needs a bath really bad. And I'm going to start with the wheels, of course. And I grabbed the SuperClean All Wheel Cleaner off the shelf. I don't think I've ever had it showcased in the video. I don't think I've ever even used it. It's probably been around forever. I know SuperClean has been around and has been reliable for many, many years in the detailing industry. These wheels are pretty bad. They get caked with the brake dust, heavy buildup because of the heavy brake system, really gets heated up and embeds itself into the clear of the wheels. These are finished wheels with a clear on top. Let's clean them up. Let's see how the SuperClean All Wheel Cleaner foams away grime, brake dust, super easy, super fast. We shall find out. This thing just in general needs a bath. It's worked hard here lately, starting with the wheels, which are covered through and through with brake dust, light dust, mud, road grime, you name it. So using the SuperClean All Wheel Cleaner, we're going to follow directions, clean one wheel at a time, okay? Number two, rinse the wheel thoroughly with cold water, which is something I hardly ever do, but I'm going to follow directions here. And that's because I don't want the wet wheel to be diluted. When you spray the cleaner onto it, it dilutes it because the wheel's already wet. I like to use it straight up. If it's ready to use, I just want to spray it on a dry wheel. But I'm going to do what they want me to do. Coat the wheel with the all wheel cleaner from 6 inches away. Allow the foaming action for 30 seconds to go to work. For extremely dirty wheels, which these are, agitate with a soft detailing brush, and we will. Rinse thoroughly and dry with a towel, or since these are coated, I could use forced air to prevent water spots. Okay, as per the directions, we're going to rinse the wheel with cold water first. Douse the wheel with the foamer, turn it on. I don't know if this has ferrous metal remover, if it's going to turn purple as it breaks down iron, or it's just, maybe it's just a straight up foaming cleaner. We're going to get it on the wheel heavily, on the face of the wheel, and in the barrel of the wheel. We'll let it soak for the 30 seconds that it wants you to. And this is why I don't like to spray the wheel with water first, because it is diluting the cleaner and making it run down the wheel much sooner than I would like it to. If that makes sense. So it feels like I got to get more on there. All right. 30 seconds. And while that happens, while that goes by, I'll find my favorite detailing brush. Nice soft one here. Bring it out. And we'll start in the center. Agitate like it wants you to with a detailing brush or a sponge or a microfiber or whatever you might have. Clean your wheels. I start with the center hub and work my way out. Thank goodness this doesn't have a crazy intricate wheel design, so it makes cleaning of the wheels just a little bit easier. These wheels aren't perfect. They're clean and coated, but they're pitted and they're worn. The clear is starting to peel off in spaces, but when they're clean, they still look good for a work truck that this is. Barrel of the wheel. I think it's a good time to rinse. All right, you can use a towel as it says in the directions. I'm going to use forced air because I want to see how clean we have the wheel without using a towel to further clean it. You know, that would be like round 2. So let me get my blower out here and we'll dry it off. Got my trusty little Adams air dryer here. Not too shabby. So we're going from this a wheel that looked like that. You can get clean like this. This is an old wheel. It hasn't been refinished. And it got it clean in hardly no time at all. Actually, even, I mean, if you look at the, I mean, it even brought back some of the gloss on the wheel. And there you have it. The SuperClean All Wheel Foaming Wheel Cleaner. Just looking at this one compared to the one in the back through the camera there, it does work. In my humble opinion, this is great for wheels that are protected or are dirty but don't have baked on wheel dust or brake dust. This would do perfectly fine. It could be found anywhere. I'll put a link down below if I can remember to. You'll probably find it on Amazon and 20 billion other places, but I would look into it. Not bad. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. I'm going to continue to clean up the auction car hauler. I'm not sure how long I have it because now that I have the Hummer, which can do the same amount of work and has the same amount of power, and is just as heavy, not quite as long, easier to park somewhere than a beast like this. This may be on the chopping block because I don't need 2 vehicles to haul a trailer and a car. But we'll see. I do like it. It's old, has a lot of miles on it, but it's really it's doing a lot of work, treating me well, and I enjoy it. So I grow attached to them after a while. It gets hard to sell them, but I think it's time for this to soon move on down the road. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next video.